how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. If you want to add an audio spectrum in CapCut, you can do it on your mobile app itself. So first, go to a certain project that you're currently editing like this, and make sure that you not select anything. If you're selecting it, just hit an empty space and not select anything right now. Now what we want to do is, from the bottom you can see various options. You want to simply select this option that says text and just tap on it. From text, look for the option called stickers and tap on the stickers option. Now here in the search bar, just go ahead and then type in audio. So when you've done that and you search for audio, you'll find different audio spectrum. So you can see the white one over here. You just go ahead and select that. By the way, if it asks you to go ahead and then log in, make sure you go ahead and then log into your CapCut account as well. Now once you've done that, you can simply select that spectrum and that will be added. Now if I want to, I can choose to resize it, as you can see there. Then once I've done that, I can just save the changes. I can choose until the duration, until when I want the spectrum to be played, as you can see right there. So once I've selected that, I will be able to add that audio spectrum to my songs. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.